Hey, good morning, y'all. This is the last week before winter break. Um, just to let y'all know, it's been an exciting first crazy semester. I know that there's been a lot going on for everyone. Um, I just wanted to talk to you a little bit about this week's assignments and how this week's kind of going to go. Just so y'all know, we have finals this week. I think everyone knows that. If you've been in person, I've been talking to you all about it. We've been doing review. So that is Wednesday and Thursday this week. If you are a sales student, half of you have already taken my final. Y'all took it this past Friday. If you haven't yet, you'll be taking it this following Friday. So um, that's kind of the deal. If you have any missing assignments for the entire semester, um, you can still turn those in. Everything is open, at least for this 6 weeks. Last 6 weeks and the first 6 weeks are closed, so if you do want to turn something in for that, I'm going to have you email me, just because I can't, it makes it really hard for me to go back into Canvas, and if you submit it for me, I have to go check all of those grades almost individually to do that, so it's easier if you just email. Um, and if you don't hear back from me, please email me again so that I can confirm that I got your email with your assignments. If you just email it to me and expect me to say it and think that I have them, just double check with me. I've got a lot going on with semester grades closing and doing finals and all of those things. So this week is really pretty simple. Um, if you have, um, uh, yeah, I mean that's about it. If you come to class, I'll see you. We're gonna do some more drawing exercises. It's gonna be pretty chill. We're gonna go over the notes one more time before I see you guys Wednesday and Thursday for your finals, and finish up your tessellation projects. If you haven't done that tessellation project, go ahead and get that submitted. It's technically due Wednesday, but as always, if you submit it a little bit late, I will always show some grace when it comes to those projects. So just please make sure you do that. And those are in the modules. The only thing different this week, and here I'm going to just go down here and, where's it? Oh, right here. The only thing that's different is this project's due on the Wednesday, not the Friday this week, just so that I can make sure everything syncs with my grades and whatnot. But please try to get that in as soon as possible. I'd really appreciate it. And that's about it. I mean, it's a very skinny week as far as assignments are. That's your only assignment that's really due. I still am going to have students do warm-up exercises in class. But you guys who are SAIL, I need you just to finish those other projects and wrap up any projects you haven't finished yet. And that is about it. So I hope you guys have a great holiday season, because I probably won't see y'all till after the holiday break. But anyway, hope everyone's doing fantastic, and I will see you guys soon.